Thanks to all of our sponsors for making our Computex 2024 coverage possible.
Hey guys, we're here, Computex 2024, and we're checking out what Klevv has to offer. They've actually got some new products. So, starting with this one, this is the Fit V. This is basically their kind of budget range. So you're looking at speeds up to 6400 to start with, and they have got 32 gig capacities. For the 6400 megahertz kit, you're looking at timings of 34, 40, 40, 90. Like I say, this is a budget model, but it still has a heat spreader on there. Looks really clean, really nice. It's going to fit, you know, very, very well in no matter what build you're looking at. I'm pretty sure this is the only color they've got right now, but you never know. They might do a black at a later date, but it looks really, really nice. No RGB, it's just simple, no frills, but this is the Fit V. Now, on top of that, if you've seen any of our videos, mainly our live streams, you'll know that we absolutely adore the look of some of Klevv's memory, including the CRAS V. So we've looked at the CRAS V RGB, which is, this one over here, available in black or in white. But now they've got the ROG certified stuff. So if you're running an Asus ROG motherboard, you have no problem with this. Obviously, they would have tested it with the ROG motherboard, so you know it's going to have profiles on the motherboard that can cater specifically for this memory. Like I say, it's kept all the same sort of design characteristics as the CRAS V RGB, just now ROG certified. Now, I actually want to show you one other one, which is this one here. This is the Urban V. Now, with the Urban V, you are looking at speeds of up to 8400 megahertz, timings of 40, 52, 52, 134, and it's actually available in 24 gig modules as well. So you are able to get, you know, a little bit more than 32 gig, better price point, that kind of thing. Now, I will show you some of the memory and stuff over there because they have got some demos going and it shows off some of the speed, but we've also got some SSDs. So here we've got the CRAS C925, and with that one, capacity is up to 2 terabyte, and the read speed on that is 7400 megahertz, megabytes per second, and a sequential write speed of up to 6500 megabytes a second. It's also got an endurance or TBW of 2400. If you do want something, let's say, a bit faster, then that's where this comes in. This one here is their, I guess, flagship. So this is Gen 5 by 4, M.2, and with this you're going to be getting speeds of up to 14,000 megabytes a second on the 4 terabyte model. So 1 terabyte is available, 2 terabytes available, and 4 terabytes are available. Absolutely crazy TBW on that as well, 3000. Looks really, really nice in the white. I don't know if they're actually going to be doing a black version. You'd like to think they would, but I actually really like the kind of two-tone monochrome black and white design on that. And then they've also got, this is, you know, your B2C products. They have got some B2B stuff here as well. So you've got the UDIM, and then you've also got this one, which is going to be perfect for some of the devices on the market, like the handhelds. We just saw some other brands who have got it. This is the memory that's going to actually be able to cater for. Now, if we come over here, we can see some of the live demo systems that they've actually got. They have obviously looked at overclocking and pushing things as far as they can and having it 100% stable for, you know, all day at the show. So what we've got here is we've got the Klevv Urban V, again, RGB on top, looks really, really nice, really, really clean in that white color. And this is currently running at 8800 megahertz. So you can see up here, we're at 4,389, call it 4,400, double that, you're at 8800 megahertz. So yeah, really, really good. Compared to other brands, I think this is actually the fastest we've seen at the show for that type of memory, 48 gig kit, sort of consistently, I guess. Over here, they've got a couple of other systems. So they've got the Bolt V in here, which we have looked at before. Then we've got the CRAS C910. And this is currently running at 7200 megahertz on the memory. As we go further down, we've got the CRAS V RGB. And if you haven't seen our videos before where we do praise this, you can see straight away why I love this memory. It's very, very clean. And the crazy thing about this is right now, this is overclocked to 10,000 megahertz. So we're looking at 4995, call it 5,000 megahertz. So it's overclocked from its stock 8400 all the way up to 10,000 megahertz. And they've also got that Gen 5 drive in here, which we can see down here, the G560. So this is, like I said, Gen 5 by 4. I don't know what capacity this one is. It's probably the 4 terabyte. But you got to admit, it looks very, very nice. And then as we go over to here, we have got the ROG certified stuff. So you can just see how that will tie in with a system. CRAS V RGB, so it's kept all the same characteristics that you'd expect, but now with the ROG certification. And this is currently running at 7200 megahertz. But like I say, the fact that it is ROG certified means that they've worked with ASUS so that when you have an ASUS ROG motherboard, like a Maximus Dark Hero, Maximus Extreme, something like that, you're going to be able to go into the profiles, and this is already going to be set up with the timings, with the right speed and everything, straight out of the box. So essentially, you've got kind of one-click overclocking, which is pretty impressive to say the least. So yeah, lots of big stuff coming from Klevv. Obviously, they are owned by SK Hynix, so it kind of, I guess, is very easy for them to get the very best ICs, the very best components to really be able to push the boundaries of what's being able to be done. And yeah, this is just a small sample of what's going on with Klevv at Computex 2024. Availability, we haven't been given any information on yet, or pricing, but I'm sure we'll find out more as the show goes on and in the very near future. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do, and make sure you subscribe for much more Computex coverage from here in Taipei. Thanks very much. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.